The 8 kilowatt 12-volt diesel heater offers rapid heating capabilities, effectively warming spaces up to 269 square feet within 10 minutes. Equipped with an intelligent LCD monitor and remote control, this heater allows for precise temperature adjustments and ensures a safe and comfortable environment. With its low fuel consumption and efficient heating, the heater can provide continuous warmth for up to 16 hours, making it both economical and environmentally friendly. The all-in-one portable design makes installation straightforward and allows for easy transportation thanks to its compact form and convenient handle. This versatile heater is suitable for a wide range of applications, including use in cars, RVs, boats, and garages, providing reliable warmth wherever needed. The manufacturer offers comprehensive customer support, addressing any issues such as missing parts or assembly problems to ensure customer satisfaction.